The topic we'll be discussing today is reference management. My name is Alexandra.
And my name is Kate.
The contents that will be discussed are a short introduction,
the available tools,
some background basic information,
the history of each program,
a comparison table,
a general appreciation,
and finally we'll draw conclusions. There are many reference management programs offered online and also some that are available to download. This presentation will aim to compare and contrast two different reference management programs, notably Zotero, which needed to be downloaded with no cost, and Citation Machine, which is offered free online. In order to make the distinction between the two, Zotero needed to be installed directly onto the computer, while Citation Machine was ready to use from the website. The elements that will be compared are the available tools offered by each program, the accuracy of the outcomes, as well as the speed in which the program delivers the correct reference requested.
So now let's take a look at the available tools. Both Zotero and Citation Machine work similarly, but include different features. For instance, Zotero can store any type of files such as PDF, images, audio, and video files, while Citation Machine cannot store any kind of file, since once one leaves the web page, the citation is immediately deleted. Indeed, Zotero offers a library to organize and manage the different files collected in order to access them and create a bibliographical reference from them whenever and as many times as they want. In regards to bibliographical references, Zotero offers much more citation styles than Citation Machine. Another interesting feature that Zotero offers to its users is many output methods, such as saving the citation as an RTF and Hotmail, copy it to the clipboard, or print it. As for the Citation Machine's features, one can simply copy and paste a URL into the search bar and create a bibliographical reference. That being said, one needs to add many modifications to it in order to have a proper citation, since the results are not completely accurate. Both programs offer to make parenthetical references for one in-text citation. When searching for a particular source, Citation Machine offers to directly find the source online, while Zotero requires one to enter either the ISBN, the DOI, or PMID in order to retrieve the source. Both offer various types of source. However, Zotero has a lot more options when it comes to the types of sources. A convenient feature of Zotero is that it offers to create online groups in which one can share any type of files with other users, or only put them online and keep them private. Zotero also has the options of creating a timeline from the available sources, to add notes on any source, to scan documents onto the application, and finally to link the source with other file types. Moreover, each have their own features, but Zotero clearly has more to offer to its users. So on the screen, both programs' home page has been displayed.
Some basic information. As for the operating systems required for each reference manager, Zotero requires either Mac, Windows, or Linux, while Citation Machine basically works with any type of system as long as one has the internet connection. The disk space required on one's computer to download Zotero is 34.4 megabyte, while Citation does not require any space due to its availability online. Zotero has had 3 previous versions, as we tested the 4.0 version for Windows and Mac. Citation Machine was created in 2000 and has not been updated since then because it fails to respect the new norms of all types of citation, such as MLA. Some background history. Citation Machine is an online tool that was originally created by Davis Warlick on October 29th of 2000 as a part of the Landmark Project for Schools website for teachers. As for Zotero, it is the project of Roy Rosenweg Center for History and New Media, and was initially founded by the Andrew W. Mellon Foundation, the Institute of Museum and Library Services, and the Alfred P. Sloan Foundation. It was first created in October of 2006 and released in May of 2009. Originally, it was only available for computers who run on Firefox. The second version of Zotero was released in February of 2010 and added the functions of file syncing and group libraries. Previous versions of Zotero were only offered online, while in January 2011, Zotero Standalone was created and allowed people to run application as an independent program. Zotero came out with a third version in January of 2012, which included several new major features such as overhauled World and LibreOffice integration and duplicate detection. The fourth and actual version was released in April 2013 with new features such as automatic journal abbreviations, colored tags, and on-demand file syncing.
Now let's take a look at the comparison table that we made from our research. So the features are on the left, and then you can see both programs on the right. Now a general appreciation. Both of these programs are user-friendly and can be easily accessed as they are free and can be retrieved from most computers. However, one can easily notice that Zotero offers much more features than Citation Machine as demonstrated in our previous comparison table. Research has demonstrated that Zotero is much more reliable as the results obtained are more accurate than those of Citation Machine. For example, if we use the proper NLA guidelines for output U, Citation Machine has not updated their reference methods since they have changed. Both of these programs are very quick and confront users with little difficulty.
In conclusion, we believe that both these programs can be very useful to users. However, one needs to be conscious of the minor errors that can occur when using them to make reference lists. We recommend to always recheck what the programs have created in order to change any error that could have occurred. As a general conclusion, the research we have gathered has demonstrated that Zotero has more features and delivers a better final product than the Citation Machine.